everybody, Lori here from Unique in the Creek, and today I want to show you a easy method to apply our vinyl decals to your character board to make your wreathing board and sign all one piece. At Unique in the Creek we do carry many varieties of different vinyl decals, and they're a very high grade decal and UV resistant, and there is a really easy way to apply them. So I'm going to show you that. Now, some of our customers have had a few problems getting the vinyl to come off the paper. I find I have a hard time getting it off the paper because I have no nails and my hands are always dry. So if you're having a hard time, just get a pin, a safety pin or something, and just go underneath the vinyl and kind of lift it up. This one's probably pretty easy to lift. Yeah, this one's easy to lift up, but if you do have problems, just get under the vinyl and you can see the line and just give it a lift with the pin, and then your hands can do the rest. So you're going to peel this right off the vinyl backing, and now this you can just toss away. So this is your vinyl, okay? It's nice and shiny, and the back adhesive, it's a special adhesive that when you press on it, it will cure in about 24 hours, and it's going to be really hard to get off. However, it is water-based, and the method I'm going to show you is using water with it. That way, you can slide it around until you get it on perfect, because if you try and put it on right now like this, it's really sticky, and you'll have a hard time getting it off and on, and then you might get creases and stuff in it. If you've done many of these, you can, lots of you can do the eyeball method and have no problem with it. So you would just, make sure your two hanging holes are at the top. Lay your vinyl down, just like that, and you could smooth it out. And once you smooth it out, that adhesive will start curing. So, however, there's some of us that have problems with lining it up, or and you may need to move it around. The easy way for that is to wet the back. I know that sounds funny, but because it's a water-based adhesive, it works amazingly. So I have a spray bottle here. You can just use a really damp cloth just to wet your back. You can just even pour some, I did it at the warehouse, just pour some water on it and spread the water around with your hand. But I'm just going to spray some water on the back of my vinyl. Okay, a good amount. Okay, and this is going to allow me to move around. See how I can move around my vinyl? It's not sticking to the board and everything. This allows me to move around my vinyl without any creases, and making sure it's totally lined up before see how I can lift it up and down? Don't worry, the adhesive on the back will still remain sticky after you put it on. Okay, and I've been assured, and I've used it quite a few times, and I've been assured by the manufacturer that it does work. Okay, so I have it on. I'm going to lift it up. Looks good to me. We have it on the outside of the holes because we're going to decorate around it, so you're not really going to see the edge of your vinyl anyways. You can take a card, a credit card, a debit card, whatever you have to smooth. You may even have a Mod Podge smoother. And I'm just using a paper towel. And the reason I'm putting a paper towel, or you can even use toilet paper, you just don't want to scratch your image. And what you're going to do is start in the center of your sign and just work your way out. Now, water will start squirting out the sides, and that's good. So we don't want water left in there. And you just start from the center and push out. Do you see the water? That's okay, because our paper towel is soaking it up anyways. And this gives you a really good adhesive between the board and your vinyl, and prevents air bubbles. So it's amazing. And then now you can go ahead and decorate your wreath right after you apply your vinyl, because it will stick. And it only takes about 24 hours to absolutely, completely cure. So, that's it. Now, if you do see, you can lift it up and see if there's any bubbles. You may see a few little bit of air or water trap bubbles. Just keep smoothing it out and see if there's any little squirts of water coming out. And that's it. That's all there is. My board is ready to go to decorate. Isn't that pretty? Easy as that. Thanks for joining me, and I hope this helps. Bye, guys.